Alright, hello everyone. In this video, today we are going to learn about the chain rule. You use the chain rule when you have a function inside another function, right? So this is the formal definition. Derivative with respect to x of f of g of x is equal to f prime g of x times g prime of x. All right. It looks a lot harder than it seems, but don't worry, it's very easy to use. So let's say we have a function h of x is equal to 6x squared plus 4 to the third power, right? So instead of using g of x and f of x, I like to use u because it just makes things a lot easier and there's less confusion. So your u is always going to be the thing inside, or in other words, your g of x if you'd rather use g of x. So u is going to be x squared plus 4, right? And then the derivative of u, so u prime, is 2x, right? So to kind of make it easier for you guys to understand, I'm going to just rewrite this. F prime of u times u prime, right? That makes it a lot easier. So your f of x function is going to be everything else, but replaced with u. So instead of writing f of x, you could write f of u is equal to 6u cubed, right? And this becomes a lot easier. This becomes a lot easier to use. So what you would do, you just take the derivative of that, which is 18u squared. But then don't forget to multiply by u prime, right? And now the very last step, you just plug in your u and u prime. So this becomes 18x squared plus 4 squared times 2x. And then you just simplify it even further, and you get 36x times x squared plus 4 squared. And that's the new derivative. That's how you took the derivative of this. So let's do another example just in case you're confused. So let's say we have g of x is equal to sine x squared, and you want to take the derivative of that, right? So again, your u function is always the thing inside, right? So u equals x squared, du is 2x, or u prime. So this is also u prime. There's a lot of words for that. So your f function, so f of u becomes sine u, right? And what's the derivative of sine u? It's cosine u. So now we start f prime. So cosine u, right? And then you're going to multiply this by u prime. And your final answer becomes 2x cosine x squared. And that's your final answer for both of those. So again, you decide what your u factor is, take the derivative of the u factor, replace replace that function with u, take the derivative, and then multiply it again by u prime. Again, it's a lot more confusing than it sounds, but with practice, you'll be able to do it without even thinking of it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, just leave them below, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thank you.